Asupal-pal ka na.
The question and then you may make your objection afterwards. Finish your question, counsel for the respondent.
She is Representative Maria Rene Ann Lourdes G. Matibag.
Before
I
the witness
object, Your Honor.
answers, what is the objection of the lead prosecutor?
The questions, Your Honor, of the defense with regards to the wife of the witness is totally irrelevant.
Yan tayo eh. Paano naging irrelevant? Ang tanong lang naman doon, yung asawa nyo ba ay membro ng Congress? Malam mo, merong insertion. Malam mo, merong maleta gangers. Kaya nga kino-cross-exam. Malam, baka mamaya tumutumbok,
A matter of, yes, my wife is one of the endorsers.
kala ko itatanggi mo pa. Aminado kayo. Oo, kasi pag sinabi mong hindi ko yan asawa, hahanapan kayo ng butas. Knowledge, wala.
Did you meet with the private prosecutors or the public prosecutors?
With the chairman of the committee, with the Congresswoman Jerry Miller.
And you are
Ayun na. Jerbil Jinky! Ikaw talaga ang punot dulo nito. Jinky! Grabing circus ito, mga kasama. Ibang klase ho, ang tindi, no? Ayaw magpatibag si tibag-tibag, yun ang nangyayari ngayon. Wala na ho kayong aasahan. Dahil nasa kanila ho ang lahat. Nasa kanila ang beat. Hindi nga ho natatakot sa mga tanungan eh. Ibang klase ho rin na mamang ito. Kung kayo makakaintindi at alam nyo ang nangyayari, isa na lang hong palabas ang nangyayari ngayon. Dahil sa video ito at lalabas natin, tila baga nasa kanilang lahat. Nasa kanilang lahat. Pero bago naman tayo magsimula, andyan po yung join button. At syempre, pasadahan na natin to. At sa dulo ng ating video, syempre yung shoutout segment natin. Walang kukurap. Pakinggan nyo kung gaano ka-confident daw di umano itong mamang ito sa sagutan. Dahil sa cross-examination, ibang klase ang mama. Talagang masasabi natin, hindi sila kayang tibagin. Talaga ba?
Yan, ang mga politiko. Gusto nila, ang hirap lahat. Bahugan lang nila ang kwarta.
Bluetooth connected.
Governor na sila, mayor na sila, congressman na sila. Hanapin niyo, ma'am, yung mga lugar na sobrang hirap sa Mindanao. Tingnan niyo anong gawain ng politiko. Pinapakain lang ng pera ng tao. Pinabastos.
Gano'n naman ho talaga ang nangyayari sa mga politiko. Diyan sa mga taga Mindanao, Visayas, hindi naman natin lalahatin ng mga politiko diyan, pero karamihan, hindi na ho talaga maayos. Dahil kagustuhan ng mga ibang mga kababayan natin na kumita at kumuha ng 5,000, kahit magkahirap-hirap na sila sa loob ng 3 taon sa pamumuno ng politikong binoto nila, gagawin nila. Ayan nga ang nangyari. Diba? Tuloy.
Yung kanilang pagkatao. Dahil wala silang pakialam.
all right. For the benefit of this court, that is timestamp 1-12, 1:12:43 onwards of the video recording with accompanying transcript.
With the
This is
permission of the counsel for respondent, the lead prosecutor is recognized.
Huwag nyo na kami paandaran, Mamang Keso. Kanina nyo pa pinapaandaran ng taong bayan eh. Noong una, pinasupinan nyo. Hahaba-haba ng prosesyon. Doon din pala sa pagpususupina ang tuloy. Ngayon ito, nagpatawag kayo ng trial o hearing. Parang hindi hearing ang nangyari, Mama. Baka naman pwede nyo ayusin yung script nyo. Pagandahin nyo ng gusto.
For a manifestation.
Your Honor, I wish to manifest that the video which was played is unmarked and spliced video, Your Honor. That is for the record.
Unmark and splice naman yung mga sinasabi. Di ba kayo mahilig mag-unmark and splice? Sa 2 minutes video, di ba? Yun ang pinakita nyo sa taong bayan. Ngayon sasabihin nyo, lumabas na yung hitman. May hitman na. Baka lumabas na yung magaling magsinungaling.
Counsel for respondent just mentioned the timestamp and the marking as well. Counsel for the respondent may proceed.
All right. Now, Director Matibag, these are my questions about the statements of DP Sara in that video. Do you have personal knowledge of the theft incident involving Attorney Lopez's cellphone?
Wala! Hindi pa siya director noon. Kaya wala siyang kaalam-alam. Totoo, di ba? Wala siyang alam dyan. Ang director nung panahon na yun, si Director Santiago, either Director Magno. Yun! Pero siya, hindi, wala siyang kaalam-alam, kaya walang personal knowledge. Kaya nagtataka bakit naging star witness. Ang mamang ito.
Wala po.
Wala.
Di
Do you
ba?
have personal knowledge on...
Wala palang personal knowledge. Sasabihin nyo, witness siya. Tuwan-tuwa naman yung prosecution, kahit magsinungaling na sandamakmak, basta may witness sila.
the buffet in the House of Representatives?
Wala po.
Wala. Do you have personal knowledge on the communities na asin lang ang kinakain?
Wala po.
Alright. Do you have personal knowledge on the person whom VP Sara talked to regarding BBM, FL, and the former speaker?
Wala po dahil
Wala.
siya nakipag-usap.
Alright.
Wala pala eh. Bakit kinasuhan nyo? Ala ka na ng tipaklong naman oh. Basta may witness, okay na sa inyo. Grabe mga kasama. Ibang klase talaga.
Okay. Thank you for that. So, now you mentioned that you watched the whole video. My question to you is, did the NBI conduct any separate investigation regarding the various acts of corruption alleged acts of corruption of BBM, FL, the former speaker, and the congressman as mentioned by VP Sara?
Marami pong iniulat sa akin na mag-investigasyon, subalit hindi naman po kasi binanggit do sa video sino ang mga particular na kailangang imbestigahan.
Eh yun naman
kaya
pala, lumabas din sa bunganga. Eh kung akala ba namin na dahil nag-imbiste kayo doon sa mga threat ng Pangulo, asawa ng Pangulo, dahil tatawag ng tungkulin, eh bakit kailangan patumbukin kung sino dapat imbestigahan sa tanatanong dito? Di ba? Kung sila nagawa nila ng paraan at sila mismo nag-file ng kaso, sila nagpa-imbestiga, bakit dito sa tinatanong ni Atty. Viluan, eh hindi ho nag-imbestiga? Why? Tatanong hula kami.
Man po yung investigasyon na ginagawa ngayon ng NBI, maaaring tumutukoy na po sa mga taong binabanggit po.
Right, but as NBI director now, you have the authority to investigate
Tama.
alleged cases of corruption, correct?
Tama po yun.
Bakit hindi mo ginawa, sir? Boss Amo Manager? Bakit kay BBC na lang kayo nakatutok? Akala ko bang matibay ang witness nila? Hindi ko lang alam kasi bakit ito si Mamang Keso-Keso ay talagang parang nakikita ko kanina pa pinapanood eh. May merong kinikilingan eh. Mukhang yung kanang kamay napunta na sa dalawang kamay eh. Kayo ba, napansin nyo ba mga kasama kung ano yung ginagawa kanina pa?
In fact, you came out in the news recently stating that you will investigate the 2019 SEA Games, correct?
Tama po.
Alright. And the 2019 SEA Games came prior to this 2024 press con, correct?
Tama po.
Okay. Do you
Puro
intend,
tama na lang. Ano pang ginagawa natin dyan? Diba? Eh bakit mo nga naman pa-imbestigahan yung 2019 SEA Games? Tapos hindi ka nag-iimbestiga doon sa tinatanong. Bakit nga? Ano sa palagay nyo ako? Hindi na, naguguluhan na ako. Kagaling pala na kanilang witness. Lumabas daw yung inutusan ni Bibi Sara dito sa usapin na ito. Ewan ko. Napanood nyo ba kung lumabas talaga? Walang pangalan. May pangalan ho ba?
and my next question is this. Do you also intend to investigate the alleged corruption involving the unaudited confidential funds of the OP, Office of the President, also mentioned by VP Sara?
Kung meron po mga ebidensyang ilalatag sa amin para amin pong sundan, hindi po magdadalawang isip ang NBI sapagkat ito po ang mandato ng NBI.
Eh bakit hindi nyo inimbestigahan? Merong naisong confidential fund. 450M ata, di umano, ang nasasabing confidential fund. Bakit kay Bibi Sara?
Thank you for
Mag-imbestiga ng mga krimen po, amin pong nakikita.
All right, thank you for that answer. Now, do you also intend to investigate the alleged corruption involving the former speaker going around the country and giving government funds to people, also mentioned by VP Sara in that video?
Your Honor, may I May I comment, Your Honor?
What is the comment of the lead prosecutor?
We are objecting to that question, Your Honor.
Comment tapos objecting. Hindi ko alam kung pagbibigyan ito ni Mamang Quezon, ha?
The same is misleading.
Your Honor, if he knows, he said he watched the whole video, he listened to the statements. There was a statement there.
Witness may answer. If he knows.
Yun, okay yan.
Well, kung meron po mga ebidensyang pumapasok tulad ng lahat ng aming ginagawa, we are driven by evidence and the process and the law na dapat pong sundin.
All right.
Oh, ano nangyari? Hulag pipit-bingi, ganun ba na lang? Nagtatanong hulang kami. Kasi kung meron pumapasok, malamang hindi pupunta sa inyo. Kung may nagre-report, malamang hindi rin lalapit sa inyo. Oo. Alam niyo na kung bakit. Hawak niya ang beat. Ala.
My next question is, your wife is also a member of the House of Representatives.
That is correct po.
And she is Representative
Your
Maria.
Honor, with all due respect.
This is cross, Your Honor. Maybe given leeway, Your Honor.
Allow the counsel to finish.
Supalpal sa rehistro. Pag kayo nagtatanong, hindi kayo sinusupalpal. Cross-examination nga eh. Yan tibay mo ba? Anak ng tipak ng karehistro. Buti nasupalpal ka ni Mamang Quezon. Supalpal ka rin dito kay Biluan. Hindi mo kayang resbakan yan dahil nasupalpal ka na.
The question and then you may make your objection afterwards. Finish your question, counsel for the respondent.
She is Representative Maria Rene Ann Lourdes G. Matibag. correct?
Before
I
the witness
object, Your
answers, what is the objection of the lead prosecutor?
The questions, Your Honor, of the defense with regards to the wife of the witness is totally irrelevant.
Yan tayo eh. Paano naging irrelevant? Ang tanong lang naman doon, yung asawa nyo ba ay membro ng Congress? Malam mo, merong insertion. Malam mo, merong maletagangers. Kaya nga kino-cross-exam. Malam, baka mamaya tumutumbok, may ugnay. Kaya ano? Paano naging irrelevant yun?
Your Honor,
And that should not be allowed.
Your Honor, these are
the,
credibility testing questions, Your Honor,
the-
which is always relevant.
The objection is overruled. It tests the freedom from bias, if any, of the witness regarding his testimony, and the chair will
Nevertheless,
allow
Your
it. Witness may
Maya.
answer.
Your Honor, may I just enter
there
a
was already-
continuing objection on the line of questions pertaining to the wife of the witness, Your Honor.
Wala
So
kang
noted.
pakialam doon.
Witness may answer.
Di ba? Answeran mo na lang, boss sir. Boss sir, amo.
Opo.
Answer.
All right. Now, let me direct your attention to House Resolution number 989. This is also part of the records of this case, entitled Setting Forth the Articles of Impeachment Against Vice President Sara Z. Duterte. Permission to use a pointer, Your Honor. Now, it appears that from this document
Counsel may do so.
that your wife is one of the endorsers of this House resolution. Can you confirm that?
Aray.
Yes, there is, sir.
It's there. Okay. Now, there's a signature page.
Booking. Ha? Kaya naman pala. House Resolution. Ito yung mga nagkampi-kampihan. Bumoto sa impeachment. House Resolution 989 introduced by Representative Attorney Jerbil. Ayun naman pala. Mauricio G. Dumigonan, Brian po. Andun yung pangalan ng asawa. Meron connection. Di ba? Tapos, ang lead prosecutor nila, ayun, sila ito. Booking. Introduced by Representative Attorney Gilbert Luistro. Gilbert. G.K. Beltris Luistro. Ano na? Kaya pala object ka ng object. Sabit ang pangalan mo dito. House Resolution 989. Ano ba ito?
Also, the pages, this document is not numbered, but it appears that it's around page 19. Can you confirm if this is your wife's signature?
I think I have no authority to confirm the signature even if she is my wife.
So you can confirm the signature of your NBI agent, but not your wife?
It's a
Supalpal kayo! Oo nga, confirm ka doon sa agent mo, tapos sa asawa mo, hindi ka makakonfirm. Buko ayo na kayo rito eh. Ang galing talaga nito ni Atty. Biluan, no? Unang bala, supalpal kagad. Pangalawa, supalpal na naman. May pangatlo, pang-apat, lima, supalpal lagi sila.
To be her signature, but I have not confronted with the document so that I can compare it.
At any rate, Your Honor, may we allow?
With the NBI, it's different. I testified earlier that it was presented to me, and I asked him if he signed it, and I'm familiar to his signature because he's always making submission to my office.
All right. That's okay. At any rate, Your Honor, may we may we request, Your Honor, that we be allowed to submark this particular portion. Again, this is
May
already
we
part
request,
of the
Your
records.
Honor, that the witness be confronted first with the document, and
We
may
will
we
do that,
request
Your
as well that the
Ano ka muna, paalam ka muna. Sabat ka na, sabat eh. Sabat ka na, sabat. Oh. Halataan na kayo ng taong bayan. Pero dahil magagaling ang may hawak ng beat, kayang manipulahin.
assisting counsel for the prosecution be allowed to approach.
We will do
Assisting
that, Your Honor.
counsel for the respondent may please confront the witness with a document in the presence of assisting counsel for the prosecutor before counsel for respondent requests it to be marked. Witness will kindly look at the document and answer their question.
May I first manifest, Your Honor, that the photocopy, the document being presented to the witness is a photocopy.
Your Honor,
Labas yung original. Ang galing nyo pag kayo magtatanong, Hindi naman kayo ino-object ka ng matinding objection. O, na nagko-cross-examine bumabanat na naman kayo. Paano? Bukayo na. Diba? Siya pala nag-introduce yung House Resolution. Ang House Resolution number 989, ang official na resolution na mababang kapulungan na naglalaman ng mga article of impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Formal itong pinagtibay noong May 11, 2026. Matapos makakuha ng 257 na pabor na boto na kontra at siyam na absensyo mula sa mga mambabatas. Dahil dito, opisyal na-impeach ang Vice Presidente sa kalawang pagkakataon. At pinasa ang kaso sa Senado para sa paglilitis. Kasama yung asawa niya Kasama yung asawa mo sa House Resolution. Kaya kayo nagmamadali. Nangangatog. Dahil nabubuko kayo sa cross-examination. Totoo, di ba?
if at all we can agree that the court's copy be submarked, Your Honor. And we request, Your Honor, that the first page that we showed and this signature page around page 16 be...
Pag tinanggi pa ni Matibag yan, andyan naman yung mga 257. Pag yan binawasan at hindi umamin, sino yung naging 250 pang sino yung bumubuo ng 257? Nabugbulol ka na, kuya. Pag hindi siya umamin, sino pumirma dyan? Di ba? O kung hindi sila pumirma at ayaw aminin, nasawa niya yung pumirma dyan, di invalid yan. Ganun lang kasimple yun. Kung itinatanggi niya, tinatanggi ng asawa niya na hindi pirma, bakit pa magiging valid to? Di ba? O hindi mo pala asawa yan. Di tigil na yung hearing na yan dahil kung invalid yan, walang saysay ang pag-hearing na yan. Tama? Kasi meron pagtanggi. Ang nakalagay dito, Mariarin Lourdes G. Tibag-tibag. Yun ang nakapirma. Tinanggi niya. Ngayon, nag-react yung isa. Kasi siya yung nag-provide, yung introduce ng impeachment na yan. Nakasuhan si Bibi Sara dahil sa pirma na 257, ngayon tatanggi kayo. Di sige, tanggi nyo, pwede yan. Walang problema dyan. Kahit itanggi nyo yan. Ang magiging problema mo dyan, pag hinanap itong 257 ito at wala yung asawa mo, sino yung isa na nawawala? Di invalid, tama? Isip-isip din pag may time.
be submarked, even at later, Your Honor, before the clerk.
It shall be done at a later time. In the meantime, by the oath of respective counsels, I believe we can rely on this copy, subject to confirmation in the marking of the actual copy that the court has.
And
Of the you're referring to the impeachment resolution on impeachment, right?
yes, Your Honor, but Your Honor, insofar as the identification of this witness, we are relying actually on the transmittal by the Committee on Justice, which was received by our office on May 11, 2026, Your Honor.
Not
So
by
it is-
my office, but by the Secretary General of the Senate. Kindly confront the witness with the document so that he may answer intelligently.
If you know only, Director
Your
Matibag.
Honor, respectfully,
That is the
if I may say something, if the court
Yes,
will allow me.
Director Matibag.
In order to save time and the questioning of the defense counsel, I think he's going to the position if my wife endorses the article of impeachment so that we save time and it's a matter of, yes, my wife is one of the endorsers.
Kala ko itatanggi mo pa. Aminado kayo. Oo, kasi pag sinabi mong hindi ko yan asawa, hahanapan kayo ng butas. Inamin niya rin. Kaya sila bida-bida ngayon. Magkakasama, magkakasabwat. Sabi ni Aling Ledesma.
The impeachment.
Duly noted. Counsel, move on.
All right, thank you for that admission, Director Matibag. And despite that spousal relationship that you admitted, you decided to appear and testify today, correct?
My decision to be a witness is by virtue of a subpoena issued by the Honorable Court and by invitation of the Committee on Justice, the prosecution. However, the job of my wife as a legislator
Nako.
is totally detached from me being the director of the National Bureau of Investigation.
Sa asawa mo pa rin yun. Anong gagawin dyan? Siyempre, tulong-tulong, sabi ni Aling Ledesma. Kasi siya, isa sa endorser, pumirma siya, malamang. Gagawa na ng paraan. Alam nyo kung anong kagustuhan nitong mga ito? Ma-impeach si VP Sara kasi nga, tulong-tulong eh. Endorser sila. Tapos sila yung prosecutor, sila para yung witness. Wow! Kagaling! Endorser asawa niya. Lead prosecutor yung yung abogado. Ang witness nila, asawa ng endorser. Wow! Saan ka pa?
Okay, my next question is, but the court did not issue a subpoena for you to appear today.
Actually,
Are you saying that you receive a subpoena despite this honorable court not issuing a subpoena for you?
even if
Koko! Kita mo na. Yan ang sinasabi natin eh. Ang pagkakaalam natin, kahapon siya eh, no? Pero hindi siya doon. Noong last week siya eh. Di ba? Tama ba? Tuloy natin.
there's no subpoena in the pre-trial order, I was mentioned to be a witness. And I was invited by the prosecution to be a witness. And from my understanding, in the pre-trial order, I was also listed by the defense. I will be gladly witness for the defense as well if I will be called upon.
All right,
Now,
but which is which?
kakailangan
Are
ng
you
defense.
appearing today by virtue of a subpoena or without a subpoena?
I'm appearing today as a witness, as called upon and announced by the Honorable Court and by the invitation also of the
No, that's
prosecution.
not my question, Director Matibag. You're a lawyer, you know this. Are you appearing today by virtue of a subpoena or no subpoena?
There's no written subpoena, but there is a verbal announcement from the Honorable Court that I will be
Hindi legal yan. Circus ang pinapanood natin dito. Hindi ka naman pala imbitado at wala kang subpoena. Nandiyan ka. Ngayon, nung nabubukayo na, ito na, ang dami ng palusot. Hindi naman ho siya sinubpinahan. Ang alam natin, na last week pa dapat ito, ngayon lang yung nagkaroon. Ngayon, magaling talaga ito si Atty. Biluan. Biluin mo.
this in today's hearing.
Your Honor, the question of the defense is
Tama na! Jinky! Tama na! Buko na kayo! Alam na ng taong bayan na sirko sa pinapanood dito at alam ng taong bayan na 25 million per trial, per hearing. Ang sinisilip nyo lang dito is 125 million ni Bibi Sara plus gawa-gawang kwentong istoryahin na kaso. Yan na ang nangyari. Nalalambat kayo sa sarili nyong palaisdaan. Isang abogado, dalawang abogado, pag tinanong yung mga witness nyo, huling-huli na. Di ba?
misleading. It is apparent that last week a subpoena was issued to the witness, Your Honor, and it is because of the other matters that was heard and addressed by
Dapat niresupinahan nyo. Resupina. Hindi yung bida-bida pupunta dyan. Ngayon, nung mabubuko na, hindi pala sinupin na.
Impeachment court, the schedule of the witness was scheduled to today.
Your Honor,
The objection is overruled.
Yan.
First, asked and answered, and for the record and information of the senator judges, the presiding officer confirms that no subpoena was issued to Director Matibag. In fact, I asked if one was needed, and the response I got was that it was not necessary. But indeed, the chair also confirms that the name of Director Matibag was requested to be invited by the counsel by the prosecutors, and he was so named by the presiding officer to attend in I believe yesterday supposedly, and today's
Ayan na naman tayo eh. Biglang cambio.
trial dates. Move on, counsel.
just one last question on this point. So considering
Counsel.
considering that there's no subpoena, I'm just wondering how it works. Did you coordinate with any of the prosecutors in relation to your appearance in today's proceedings?
Well, we conducted some meetings on this matter.
You mean prior to your appearance to this honorable court, you met with certain members of the prosecution?
Yes, twice when I was informed that I will be a witness on the pretrial order.
Alright.
Umamin na. Meeting sila bago siya umatin. Ano kaya pinagmeetingan? Ano pinagmeetingan nyo, boss? Amo, manager. Kung paano nyo ilaglag si Bibi Sara kasi hindi naman talaga witness ito. Wala siyang personal knowledge. Nandito lang ito para mapatibay ang patibag ng kanilang prosecutor. Ibigyan diin kung ano yung kaso at kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng dalawang witness na agent. Ngayon, kung ang pag-uusapan dito yung kredibilidad at may personal knowledge, wala.
Did you meet with the private prosecutors or the public prosecutors?
With the chairman of the committee, with the Congresswoman Jerviller.
And you are
Ayun na. Jerbil Jinky! Ikaw talaga ang punot dulo nito. Jinky! Nilaglag ka na ni Matibag.
are confirming in open court that you discussed or you were briefed in that meeting based in your testimony. What was the okay, you can explain.
Well, I'm a lawyer and I know where you're going. There was no
Hindi! Sagutin mo yun! Wag mo sabihin lawyer ka. Ikaw na rin ang kumantay! Kaya nga cross-examination to, mama, bossa mo, manager. Akala ba namin? Kasi kung hindi ka sinupinahan at meron kayong meeting at inimbita ka, alam na.
discussion or coaching. We just discuss matters that's supposed to be covered by my testimony. Because I'm a director, I will be testifying. Of course, they will want to know what will be the nature of my testimony. In the same way that when you want to present me as your witness, I will be more than willing to sit down with the defense counsel.
Hindi pwede.
Your
Doon ka
Honor,
na
I
lang
take
sa kanila.
exception to that.
Hindi ka pwede sa depensa. Susunod, pag na-hot seat na kayo, doon. Sa depensa kayo pupunta talaga. Sabi ni Aling Ledesma yan, ha?
I don't think Director Matibag knows where I'm going. In fact, I'm moving on to a new point. At any rate, Your Honor, I don't think we are calling him as a witness. So these are facts that only he assumes.
No,
And I
but
want
it
to
was-
state that for the record, Your Honor.
Witness will not argue with the counsel.
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Kindly move on,
Yes, sir.
counsel, for the respondent.
All right. Let's just move on, Director Matibag. The NBI is under the DOJ, correct?
That is correct.
Correct. And the DOJ is under the Office of the President, correct?
That is correct.
Now, BBM, in short, BBM has control and supervision over both NBI and the. Your Honor, sorry, I am hearing comments from the prosecution. I don't mean any disrespect to the President. It's just for purposes of abbreviation. I'm just calling him BBM. But at any rate, I'll move on to my question. So BBM has control and supervision over both the NBI and the DOJ, correct?
That is not exactly correct. only on the matter of appointments, but we enjoyed independence in the matter of investigation.
I'm glad you mentioned that. Do you confirm that you're an appointee of BBM?
Well, it's only the president who can make an appointment. I think it is provided for in the law.
What's the answer?
Yes.
Yes, okay. And so my question to you is this: did BBM participate in the NBI's investigation in any way?
No.
No. All right. So don't you consider your appointment as NBI director as participation on the part of BBM?
No.
No. Okay. All right. You mentioned a while ago that after the affidavit of investigation, it was submitted to the DOJ for evaluation, correct?
Further evaluation and finding if there's enough reason to file a case before the regional trial court or the proper courts.
All right. And during your direct testimony, you also mentioned that as we speak, it is still pending, correct?
That is correct.
All right. Now, in other words, in terms of charge to be filed in court, that is still not available at this time, correct?
It's in the jurisdiction of the National Prosecution Service, which is under the Department of Justice.
But insofar as the case that the NBI filed with the DOJ, is it not the case that that charge does not include contracting for the assassination?
That is correct. What was filed was grave threat and inciting to sedition.
Oh, umami na. Gisa na uso ang mama dito ha. Oo, kita nyo naman kung paano mag-isa. Kayo na ho ang bahalang humusga, pero sa paningin ng nakakarami at nakakaintindi, meron pa rin kahit papano na hindi mga bagay na maganda sa pananaw ng mga nanonood. Merong mga, kagaya ng una, akala natin hindi masusupenahan din pala yung dokumento ng ng AMLAC at saka yung SALIN. Ganon din dito sa investigasyon nito. Aminado rin naman siya na hindi siya nasupenahan noong last week nasupenahan. Pero ngayon, imbitado at nag-meeting-meeting. Kaya kung maabot kayo sa aking video na ito, ako naman ho ay maglalambing. Please, like and share ng video natin. At syempre, subscribe nyo si Ma'am Banat. At dito tayo shoutout segment natin. Shoutout tayo ha. Shoutout kay Ma'am Damanusan. Shoutout kay Ma'am Malu, Survivor Mix Vlog. Shout out kay Karen Panganiban. Kay Ma'am Karen. Shout out din. Sino pa ba ito? Si Dante Jahain, Maribel Channel, Geraldine Arado, Guzman Belonta Jr., Pete Halaman, shout out po sa iyo. Elena Agramon, shout out po. Agramon ba? Agramon. Rosinda Diagbel, MS Sopinyoco, Johnny Tabasa, Rayban 20, Virgilio Di Castro, shout out po sa iyo. Lilibet Coronacion, shout out po sa iyo, ma'am. Banana Sweeter, Jeff, shout out po sa iyo. Ronnie Dendaon, Bernabe Chabe, shout out po sa iyo. Luciana Relatore, Daniel de la Peña, Goldonesio Tamarao, Elma Reyes, Teresita Branchina, Ilugtert, Rovis Gua, Federico Gay, shout out po sa inyo. Natalia Macaraig, shout out po sa iyo, ma'am. Lauren Chin, Roda De Hora, shout out po sa iyo. Yolanda Vintayen, shout out po sa iyo. Josephine Sales, Natividad Salvador, Sara Sindulugme, shout out po sa iyo. Maria Teresita Nieto. Yan, kumabot ka sa ating shoutout segment. Hanggang sa muli, pakilagay share ang video natin. Bye-bye!